Welcome! In today's video, we're going to discuss how to do the special stitch in my elegant drinking bib pattern, which is called D5 in the pattern. And it's the stitch that allows us to create these really cool window pane lines in our fabric of our knitting. The pattern stitch in this particular pattern is really just a matter of stripes. It's 4 rows with your main color and 2 rows with your contrast color. It's on the first row of your contrast color that you execute this special D5 stitch to bring the color all the way up to join where you are. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So we've done 4 rows of our main color, which is the dark gray in this version. And now we're ready to join our contrast color up. I've been carrying it up the side. In our pattern, this is worked in the round, and so you don't have the issue of carrying it up as much, but we've got 2 stitches in. We're at the point where we need to do our first D5. So the instruction calls to drop the next stitch off the needle, and so we're gonna let that go. Don't worry, we're gonna take care of it. It's not gonna go too far. What we're gonna do is take the tip of our left needle, and we're gonna go down into the first contrast color stitch directly 5 rows below, which is straight down here. And we're going to just go into it right through the middle of the stitch. Here's the V of the stitch, and we're just going to go right in the middle, and we're going to grab that right leg and bring it up on our left needle. And now we're going to knit that. And what we do when we do that is we catch the unraveling stitch so that it can't go any further than that first row of the gold. And now we're going to knit 3 more stitches, which will bring us to our next D5. So we drop it off, we go right in the middle of the first gold 5 rows below, bring it up on our left needle and knit it. And we knit 1, 2, 3, drop it off, right into the middle, bring it up and knit it, and 1, 2, 3, drop it off, grab, knit, and 1, 2, 3, whoops, 3, drop it off, grab this one right here, knit, and 1, 2, 3, drop it, grab, knit, and 1, 2, 3. We're coming up on our last one. We're going to drop it, grab, and knit, and then we'll finish off our row. And so if we look back at the work we've got here, our black or gray stitches, excuse me, have not completely unraveled. And then we offer a pattern note that says you can just keep working, and before you finish your piece off at the very end, you can go through and you can help all of those stitches unravel behind. That one's hanging on there. It's got a little, it's caught on itself, but they will slowly unravel as you work. If you look around back on the back side, we can help make those dropped stitches unravel. There we go. And they can't go further than the gold stitch that we caught on the needle, so you don't have to worry that they're gonna unravel forever in the back of your work. But there we are. I think I have a little bit of sticky yarn for this here, but once they're unraveled, you can see they make that nice long stitch that makes this beautiful window pane fabric that is so fun. Enjoy!